Welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to turn off silent mode in our Oppo phone from phone setting. Guys you want to off your silent mode from your phone settings, so guys, how can you off it? In this video I am going to show you guys. So first of all guys, what will you have to do to guys off your silent mode? Friends, open your phone setting and guys scroll it. Friends, you can see guys this type of settings, so guys click on guys sound and vibration setting. Friends, so friends, you can see your sound and vibration setting guys, you can on, and guys you can use from here guys. You can see vibrate on silent mode setting, vibrate on ring guys, and guys you can see your volume setting guys, you can use from here. So guys you can see your silent mode setting in the right side guys, you can see this icon. So it is icon is on, so guys tap here to off your silent mode. So you can see guys after off guys your volume ringtone increase like notification ringtone. So friends, you can use guys your ring and guys notification means ringtone and notification guys. You can use guys this sound guys. You can customize yourself like that. So I hope friends you have understood how to turn off silent mode in our Oppo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.